Types of testing in QA. Welcome back to our channel H2 Kinfosis. In our last video, we introduced quality assurance. Today, we'll explore the various types of testing involved in QA. Let's get started. Functional testing. Functional testing checks if the software functions as expected. It involves testing individual functions by providing input and comparing the output with the expected result. Examples include unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Example of functional testing. Let's consider a login function. In functional testing, you test scenarios like correct credentials, incorrect credentials, and edge cases to ensure the login works as expected. Non-functional testing. Non-functional testing examines non-functional aspects like performance, usability, and reliability. Examples include load testing, stress testing, and security testing. This is an example of non-functional testing. For non-functional testing, you might test how the login page performs under heavy traffic or if it's secure against SQL injection attacks. Both functional and non-functional testing are critical for a comprehensive QA process. Next, we'll explore manual testing in detail. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more QA content, leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing!